First of all, go to your Chrome browser and search for GitHub Kiwi Browser download. Open this first link. In this GitHub page, scroll down and come to this assist section. From here, download this Kiwi Browser APK file on your phone. Once it's downloaded, go to your My Files, select Downloads folder, and here you will find kiwibrowser.apk. Just tap it and go ahead and install the browser. Once you successfully installed the browser, now open the Kiwi Browser on your phone. Tap this three dot, tap on Extensions, tap this menu, tap on Open Chrome Web Store, and directly jump into Chrome Extension Store. In here, you can easily download any extension, or you can use this search extensions box to find out a specific extensions to use. So in my case, I'm just searching for ad blocker and simply adding these ad blocker extensions to my Android phone. And we can see the extension successfully added. Now from this Kiwi Browser homepage, I'm tapping on this three dot, tapping on extensions, and here we can see the extension successfully added. Now you can easily use your Chrome extensions on your Android phone from this Kiwi Browser. Thanks for watching.